Okay, again about the ECA 2024. In this video, I'd like to share about on how to become a registered energy auditor under the Act. I often receive quite numbers of queries and questions about what kind of training that anyone need to attend to become a REA. So who are providing these trainings programs to become REA? Okay, I must make it clear here. Okay, under this Act, under the ECA 2024, under the Energy Efficiency and Regulation 2024, under the Act, there is no requirement to attend any training. Okay, there is no requirement to attend any training which is mandatory to become the registered energy auditor. So again, there is no requirement under the Act and its regulations to attend any training to become a registered energy auditor or REA. That first thing, make it clear. No requirement for training, my friends. Okay. And then you just need to meet the minimum qualification requirement. Okay, which are, one, if you are a bachelor degree holder in science, architecture, or engineering, or technology, you need to have minimum 2 years working experience, only 2 years working experience, not energy audit working experience, just 2 years working experience minimum. Or you are registered under the Engineers Act. Okay, if you are graduate engineer, professional engineer, again at least minimum 2 years working experience. Okay, to apply to become a registered energy auditor. Or if you are technologist, okay, graduate technologist, similar degree, you are graduate technologist, okay, with the bachelor degree, at least 2 years working experience. Okay, again next, or if you are graduate architects with a bachelor degree, at least 2 years working experience. That's for the bachelor degree holder at least. If you are a diploma holder, if you're a diploma holder in architecture, science, or engineering, or technology, okay, you need to, you have a diploma, you need to become, you must be a RAM. You must be a registered energy manager. Okay, that's the requirement. If you're a diploma holder, you must be at least a registered energy manager to apply. That's the minimum requirement. Similar if you are inspector of works under the registered under the Engineers Act. Okay, if you are inspector of works, again, you must be a RAM, registered energy manager first for you to be able to apply. Similar if you are technicians, okay, we have diploma. You are technicians with a diploma. Okay, you need to become a RAM first, registered energy manager first, for you to be able to be applied. Similar if you are inspector of works, you are architects, okay, you are inspector of works. Again, you must be a registered energy manager first if you want to apply. That's the minimum requirement for bachelor degree holder or diploma holder. Again, diploma holder, diploma holder, you must be a RAM, registered energy manager first, okay, to become a registered energy auditor to apply. If you are degree holder, bachelor degree holder at least, you must have at least 2 years working experience. That's all. If you meet this minimum requirement, okay, degree or diploma, degree with a 2 years working experience, diploma, you must be a RAM. You can apply to Energy Commission, but in your application, you must attach, okay, 2 energy audit report. Okay, you must attach in your application 2 energy audit report, okay, that is approved by the Energy Commission. Okay, if you apply this, okay, you attach the 2 energy audit report, and then these 2 reports approved by Energy Commission, then, okay, you will be requested to come for an interview by Energy Commission. So Energy Commission will interview you, okay, based on your knowledge on the Act and its regulation in all the guidelines, okay, and other things related to energy audit. That's all. Okay, that's all. Okay, if you are pass the interview, and then you can be registered as a registered energy auditor. Okay, so again, you don't need to go for any training to apply to become a registered energy auditor. Meet the minimum paper requirement or paper qualification, degree or diploma. Okay, with the working experience as a 4 degree, and also you must be a RAM if you are a diploma holder, and then submit application attached with the 2 energy audit reports, okay, approved by Energy Commission, and then you'll be called for the interview. If you pass the interview, you will become the registered energy auditor. Okay, that's all. But for me, if you want to go for training to somehow to polish up your knowledge, it's no harm, but it's not a mandatory requirement. Okay, so don't get somehow misunderstood. Sometimes they're out there, there's a training, to become REA. It's not a requirement. Okay, only for the registered energy manager. To become registered energy manager, yes, you must attend the mandatory training, 5 days course together with the exam, either type 1 or type 2 of energy manager. Okay, that's all about my sharing. I hope this video somehow clear the air about the requirement to become the registered energy auditor under the EECA 2024. Okay, all the best in your applications, okay, to become a registered energy auditor, okay, because only you will be qualified, okay, to conduct the audit, okay, on behalf of the energy consumers affected by the Act, or building that are affected by the Act, building that required for the labeling. Okay, so with that, all the best in your application to become a registered energy auditor.